Welcome to the Lacts training video titled General Navigation. In this video, you will learn how to navigate the Lacts application. Let's begin. First, you must log into iPortal. Once logged into iPortal, click on Lacts under My Application. This will take you to the Lacts homepage. The section of the application I want to discuss first is the horizontal menu. This menu is located along the top of the screen and will give you access to initial licensure and certification applications for community behavior health, private psych, opioid treatment program, residential, and finally the payment center, where you can make payments on your account. If we scroll to the far right of the horizontal menu and click on My Name, it will give me the options to go back to the iPortal or log out. And finally, the sub-horizontal menu, represented by a gear icon, gives you quick access to a few other state websites. If we move back to the left, this is where our main menu is located. If you notice, next to each section by the icon is a small number. This number signifies the number of items in each section. Let's go over each section. First up is Applications in Draft. This is where you can see any applications you have in draft. If you save an uncompleted application, it will show up as a draft application. Keep in mind, Ohio MHAS does not have access to an application in draft. While in draft, you can edit your application. Once you submit an application to Ohio MHAS, you can no longer edit or change the application. Up next is Communicate with My Surveyor. For every application, a surveyor will be assigned. This page will list the surveyor assigned to each of your applications by organization and facility type. You will have access to your surveyor's contact information. This is useful if you need to contact your surveyor. Now let's look at Current Licensed Certified Organizations section. This is where you can view, update, and renew any of your current licenses or certifications. Now let's look at the section titled Current Application, Plan of Correction Due, and Survey Dates. This page is just that. It lists any of your current applications or plans of corrections, along with the survey dates. It will show the status of any current application and identify if the department is requesting additional application information or documentation. If Ohio MHAS approves an initial or renewal application, then it will no longer appear here. On this page, you can also view or withdraw the application. Let's look at renewable licenses and certifications. You receive an email alert to inform you when the licensure of your facility or certification for specific services that are due to expire. Here, you will be able to see the licenses or certifications that require your attention for renewal of your license or certification. Next is the section Closed, Terminated Licenses, Certifications. This section contains the history of prior licenses and certifications that are no longer active. Once a residential facility, hospital, agencies, or OTP program has closed, that license or cert cannot be reactivated. The final section is Application Attestation. The organization's CEO, owner, president, or similar person will need to attest to the truthfulness of the application. When an application is completed by a person in the role of an applicant and is ready to be attested to, the system will send a notice to the person who needs to attest to the application, and the application will appear here. That is it. That completes this training titled General Navigation. Thank you for watching this Lacts training video.